Circular DNA refers to a type of DNA molecule that forms a closed loop or circle, rather than the linear structure that is more commonly associated with DNA. Circular DNA can be found in various organisms, including bacteria, archaea, and some viruses, as well as in certain cellular organelles, such as mitochondria and chloroplasts. Here are a few key points about circular DNA. First is bacterial chromosomes. Many bacteria have a single circular DNA molecule that serves as their main chromosome. This circular chromosome contains the genetic information necessary for the bacterium's growth, reproduction, and functioning. The second key point is plasmids. Circular DNA can also exist in the form of plasmids, which are smaller, independently replicating circular DNA molecules found in bacterial cells. Plasmids often carry genes that provide the bacterium with specific advantages, such as antibiotic resistance or the ability to metabolize certain substances. Next is mitochondrial DNA. In eukaryotic cells, mitochondria, the energy-producing organelles, contain their own circular DNA. Mitochondrial DNA is believed to have originated from ancient symbiotic bacteria and retains some characteristics of bacterial DNA. Another is chloroplast DNA. Similarly, chloroplasts in plant cells have circular DNA. Chloroplasts are thought to have evolved from photosynthetic bacteria that were engulfed by a eukaryotic cell, similar to the endosymbiotic theory for mitochondria. Last one is viral DNA. Some viruses, particularly bacteriophages, viruses that infect bacteria, have circular DNA genomes. These circular DNA molecules can replicate independently within the host cell. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.